The October EKG was read as normal. The kid was dead a month later.
Federal officials say Caden Francis got caught up in a scheme where medical providers pushed heart tests on student athletes. They say Caden had a dangerously enlarged heart, but alleged doctors glossed over the evidence.
The defendant allegedly signed off on the test results within approximately 11 seconds of accessing the 63 test result images.
Prosecutors say Caden was cleared to play, but weeks later, the teenager suffered sudden cardiac arrest and died on the basketball court. This is all part of an announcement today that Justice Department officials claim is the greatest combined federal and state effort in combating health care fraud in history. Over the past 2 weeks, federal and state prosecutors have charged more than 450 defendants in health care fraud schemes involving $6.5 billion in false Medicare and Medicaid claims.
These schemes did not target government programs. They targeted the American taxpayer. They stole money from workers who pay taxes, from families who depend on Medicare and Medicaid.
In one instance, prosecutors allege a hospice provider in Los Angeles obtained personal information of people who had recently died from a funeral home employee to bill Medicare for hospice care they'd never received. The Justice Department says the government seized more than $182 million in cash and that these alleged fraudsters bought a yacht, a Bentley, an $865,000 necklace, multiple multi-million-dollar homes, and a beach resort in the Philippines. Secretary Kennedy says his agency is deploying artificial intelligence and data analytics to identify fraudulent billing patterns and stop improper reimbursements before the government pays them out. The government also announced data sharing agreements between agencies to try to help catch fraudsters. In Washington, Rich Edson, Fox News.